Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, this channel is all about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, you name it, we do it all on this channel. One thing that I'm really passionate about is fashion, and when I get to talk about fashion, it just takes me to another world because I love clothes. I love to feel good. One thing about me, I am a plus size woman, so feeling good in my clothes is very important to me. Styling of clothes is very important, making sure that I look cute because I don't want to promote anything to you guys if I'm not feeling it. So if you love fashion or you're in the fashion industry already, whether you own your own boutique, all of that, this video is going to be for you because it's very informative. What we're going to be talking about is a brand called Shewin. Shewin reached out to me and they sent me 5 pieces of their clothing to basically try. This is not a paid collab. This is just basically try these, see if you like them, and if you want to, you can talk about the product. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about Shewin because hopefully if you are passionate about perhaps maybe owning your own clothing brand, or maybe you already do, this video could potentially help you. So Shewin is basically a drop shipping company. So Shewin is a company that offers wholesale clothing. So if you are again looking to open up like perhaps a boutique, or maybe you're already in the fashion industry and you are looking for suppliers, Shewin is a great supplier just because their clothing, number one, is very affordable. Number two, the quality is amazing. I myself right now I am wearing a Shewin outfit, so let me show you. So basically this is a 2-piece outfit. So it has a almost like a quilted print, and then the bottoms is really cute because they're like bell bottom. The clothing that they offer ranges from super on trend to more conservative. One thing that I love about Shewin is because they make everything very easy and accessible. So Shewin offers drop shipping, and if you don't know what drop shipping is, finding a vendor to ship out the products for you. So you are basically just the middleman in this situation. So you do pretty much all the advertising and you get the customers to pretty much purchase from your shop, and then Shewin will ship out the items for you. So this actually brings down a lot of costs for you because you don't have to have the product on hand. They will ship directly from their warehouse, and it cuts down a lot of costs. This would be a great opportunity for you if you're not interested in pretty much branding your own products. If you're not solely interested in being the face of your brand, this just makes it so much more easier for you to not only own, but to operate your business. Now, if you don't want to do the drop shipping method, you do have the option to have the product shipped directly to you, where you can do inspections and just make sure that the quality and everything is to your liking. So you can just pretty much buy the product directly off of their website. Now, if you're not interested in owning your own business, you do have the luxury and opportunity to order directly from their website and have them ship the items to you. Now, what I like about it is because their website is very affordable. So say for instance, there was a specific type of jean jacket, you can go on their website and look for it. Now you could go to Levi's and that jean jacket be like $100+, or you can go to Shewin and basically order something directly from them, and the item would probably be no more than $20 to $30. Now, I did want to clarify, you won't specifically be able to find certain name brands on this website, but my point was that you could find a jean jacket that would be similar to that Levi's jacket that you wanted, and it would still be affordable, which is very affordable in this economy. Now, there are a couple boutiques that I have shopped at before, and one specifically that I go to all the time, I noticed that they do offer a lot of clothing from Shein. Now, you'll see the whole drop shipping and wholesaling method specifically with hair extensions. This applies to clothes. So basically you'll purchase the item from the direct supplier, and then you can make money off of this item. If you choose to have a store, of course you can profit off the item. So that is enough on the pricing. Let me show you some of the other pieces that I was sent that I'm just really excited about. Now, this shirt specifically was really nice and fun. I like the detail on the collar. It is pink and orange. Very fun for the spring and summer. I like the fact that the shirt is heavy. Now the thing is, one thing about drop shipping, of course, you can order specifically from the brand and they will send this item out to the customer, or if you wanted to, you could take and order this directly from the website, get it shipped to your business or your house. And if you wanted to, you could sew your own tags into this. So I feel like that's very affordable when it comes to branding your own product. All right, guys, next is this super cute and fun sweater. This is so stinking cute. And honestly, the quality of the fabric is so heavy. This is the one thing that I was impressed by. Normally, if a brand sends me like items, gonna kind of tell whether or not I would go back and order from that brand again. With Shein, actually I would, because this is so on trend and it's very fun. The material is so heavy for this. So this is going to keep you very, very warm in the fall. I wore this a couple days ago and I got so many compliments off of this just because it's like really fun and eye-catchy. And if you're opening up a business, you want to stay on trend. It's popping on social media. So this was a very cute sweater. And then they also sent me this jacket, which I think is just so cute. I did get a pair of Uggs last Christmas that I didn't get to wear, and I feel like this is just going to pair so nicely with the Uggs. I like the fact that I was able to order my size in these clothes, because sometimes it is hard to find clothing for plus size women. Clothing that's cute, but not only cute, very affordable. And that's something that I think that consumers should take into mind. I don't know why they always want to put the big girls in the flowers and stuff, but if you're gonna put us in flowers, at least make it look cute. And I feel like Shein actually does this. This is really pretty, very, very lightweight material, but still heavy enough to wear during the winter time. All right, and the last item that they sent me was this dress. It is pretty much a long maxi dress. The print is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. You could wear this to church. You can wear this just wear it out and about if you're going to dinner. So again, if you are just starting out with your business and you don't have a whole lot of money, this is a great opportunity for you to cut down on the cost. They are packaging and shipping everything for you. So if you're interested in drop shipping, please leave me a comment in the comment section below letting me know if you have any future plans on opening up a business. If you have any questions or need any help or direction of where to go, just let me know, because the quality of these clothes are amazing, and I feel like it would be a really great opportunity if you are a fashionista and looking to open up your own boutique. So guys, I hope this video was very informative and helpful for you. I hope you like the clothes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family, and I'll see you guys in my next video.